Mountain bike has become increasingly popular as more riders look for affordable yet durable bikes for trails, commutes, and weekend adventures. With the demand for budget-friendly options rising, many brands now offer quality 26-inch mountain bikes under $200 that.
List number. The Avasta AV300 is a solid entry-level mountain bike that balances affordability with performance. Designed with a lightweight yet sturdy frame, it comes in both 26-inch and 27.5-inch options, making it versatile for different rider heights. The 21-speed gear system provides smooth shifting, ensuring you can tackle both flat roads and uphill climbs with ease. What sets the AV300 apart is its front suspension fork, which effectively absorbs bumps, giving you better control on uneven terrain. The dual disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, a major plus for riders who want confidence while descending trails or navigating traffic. Riders also appreciate its ergonomic saddle and flat handlebars, which provide comfort during longer rides. Assembly is straightforward, with most parts pre-assembled, and it comes with clear instructions. While not designed for extreme downhill trails, this bike is excellent for beginners and casual riders who want a reliable, stylish, and functional ride. If you're seeking a mountain bike under $200 with dependable performance and comfort, the Avasta AV300 delivers strong value.
List 2. The Wise mountain bike is engineered for durability, making it one of the sturdiest budget mountain bikes under $200. Built from high-carbon steel, it offers enhanced strength and resilience, which is especially useful for riders who want a dependable frame for off-road cycling. Available in 26-inch and 27.5-inch sizes, it suits a wide range of riders. Equipped with an 18-speed gear system, this bike provides versatility for both flat commuting and challenging trails. The standout feature here is the dual full suspension, which absorbs shocks from both the front and rear, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on rugged terrain. This makes it ideal for riders who plan to take on trails with rocks, roots, or uneven surfaces. The bike also features anti-skid tires that grip well on dirt paths and pavements, adding to rider confidence. Assembly can take a bit longer due to the full suspension system, but the payoff is well worth it once you experience the enhanced comfort and control. List number. Mongoose has long been a trusted name in cycling, and the Mongoose Flat Rock is a strong contender in the under $200 mountain bike category. Available in multiple wheel sizes, including 26 inches, it accommodates both youth and adults. Riders can choose between 7-speed or 21-speed gear systems, making it flexible for different cycling needs. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures easy handling without compromising on durability. A front suspension fork helps absorb shocks, making it suitable for dirt trails and urban commutes. The wide, knobby tires provide traction on a variety of surfaces, while the twist shifters allow for quick and seamless gear changes. One of the biggest advantages of the Flat Rock is its brand reliability. Mongoose is well known for producing affordable bikes that last, and this model lives up to that reputation. Assembly is relatively straightforward, and most users report that it rides smoothly right out of the box. List 4. The Wise Dual Full Suspension mountain bike earns another spot on this list because it comes in multiple variations, all focused on providing maximum comfort and strength at an affordable price. Its high-carbon steel frame ensures stability and long-lasting use, while the dual suspension system reduces fatigue during longer rides. Equipped with an 18-speed gear mechanism, it offers enough versatility to handle both steep climbs and flat city roads. The braking system is responsive, giving riders control even on downhill stretches. Combined with durable anti-skid tires, it provides confidence whether you're cycling on gravel, dirt, or pavement. This model particularly appeals to riders who want a smoother ride without investing in higher-end bikes. Its full suspension absorbs bumps well, which is helpful for those riding on rough terrain. While it may feel heavier compared to aluminum frame bikes, the trade-off is better resilience and strength. List number 5. The Eckerpat mountain bike is designed with versatility in mind, offering sizes in 24, 26, and 27.5 inches to suit both men and women riders. Built with a dual full suspension system, it provides enhanced shock absorption for a smooth ride across uneven terrain. This feature makes it especially comfortable for longer rides or off-road adventures. The bike includes a 21-speed gear system, giving riders a wide range of options for climbing hills, cruising on flat roads, or descending trails. The gear shifting is responsive, and the bike's steel frame offers a balance of durability and strength. Riders also appreciate its comfortable saddle and ergonomic handlebars, which make it suitable for daily commuting as well as trail riding. Its knobby tires provide excellent grip, ensuring stability on gravel, dirt, and pavement. While assembly requires some effort, the included instructions are straightforward, making it manageable even for beginners.